I am water glassing eggs today to have them preserved for this coming winter when my chickens slow down or altogether stop laying eggs. And since I have so many people ask me about it, I thought I would do a quick video. First thing you want to do is make sure your nesting boxes are clean, like probably cleaner than usual. We throw fresh pine shavings down every single day when we are going to be water glassing, because you need very clean, unwashed eggs that were laid within 24 to 48 hours when you go to water glass. So I think I have enough here from the last 2 days to fill 2 pickle jars, and that's what we're gonna start with. So I'm gonna start putting these in here. You wanna put them pointy side down as much as possible. And when I get this full, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. You can see most of them are pointy side down. The air pockets will be up. Stay fresher longer. And I've already got this one here full. So it worked out perfect. Got 2 full jars. And now I will show you how I mix the solution that we're going to pour over them. Okay, what you're gonna need is some pickling lime. This is how I buy mine. We order it online at Amazon, and it's 1 ounce of pickling lime to 1 quart of distilled water, and it needs to be distilled water. So I'm gonna take, this is a 1 quart jar, fill it up with the water, put in my ounce of pickling lime, which initially I was using a food scale, but this is just me, I'm not telling you to do this, you should use a food scale. It's roughly about 3 tablespoons. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up my quart jar, add my pickling lime, and stir it up. Alright, my solution is mixed, and I'm going to pour it right over the top of the eggs. And I'll probably have to do another one. This won't be enough to fill up this pickle jar. But you do want the eggs completely covered over the top. Alright, so I did have to do another one. I have a whole nother pickle jar over here to do so. It's dripping, which is why we keep the washcloth under everything. But we just want to make sure that the eggs are completely covered, like so. And I'm just going to clean the top of the jar a little bit. Put the lid on it. And that's it. Now the lime will settle to the bottom and it will look clear and it will be pretty on your shelf. But those will be good for at least a year. Some people say longer. Mine won't last through like next February. So I'll have them gone before they start laying again in the spring. Plus we have quite a few spring chickens which will lay really well through their first winter. After their first winter is when they slow down or completely stop. So we should be fine. I'll have, I don't know, roughly 18 dozen eggs preserved like this by the end of July. And that will get us through the winter. Alright, so there you have it, we're all done. I've got about 3 dozen eggs here that will be good for at least a year. We'll use them within a year. Some people say even longer. The lime water mixture makes these eggshells non-porous, and that's how they stay good for so long. So let me know if you give it a shot. I'd like to hear from you.